Hey, good morning, everyone. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. Hope you had a nice evening. Before we get started, this broadcast is for demonstration and educational purposes only. It's important to know that we're not offering any type of trading advice here today. We're not licensed financial advisors. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. All right. With that being said, hope everybody had a nice evening. It is Thursday, December 18th. We are exactly 1 week away from Christmas. 1 week. My kids are counting it down. We had a beautiful recital yesterday over at the school. You know, one of those moments that, you just get choked up, those emotions of the holiday get the best of me. Anyway, today is Thursday, December 18th. If you're joining us today, that's the good news. Hallelujah. Any day above ground is a great day. A great day. We are in it to win it. Let's do it. We had a big report come out this morning with CPI year over year. And they were anticipating a 3 to 3.1% increase in that CPI report. Let me see if I can find it. U.S. Consumer Price Index. It rose at 2.7%, which was not as hot as they anticipated. It was lower than expected. So, with it being lower than expected, we would think the market to go up, but it might be the George Costanza. It might go down. Who knows? We will let the technicals dictate and price action. We'll let the automated bots do the heavy lifting is what we'll do. So lower than expected. The calendar today, let's take a quick look. We like to start off each day looking at the Forex Factory calendar. This is to prevent any unpleasant surprises. Ever had one of them? No fun. So in a very news-driven market, we want to know, hey, when are these red folder or even orange folder reports coming out? So I'm not in an open position on my live account, right? So at 8:30, we had some big red ones. CPI, unemployment claims, the Philly Fed manufacturing. Let's see what the unemployment claims. I think those, let's see if it came out already if they reported. Unemployment weekly claims. Decrease of 13,000 from the previous week's revised level. So a decrease in unemployment, which is a good sign for the labor market. So these are all good reports that came out this morning. At 10:30, natural gas storage. I saw yesterday the crude oil inventory report. The inventory was reduced by 1.8 million barrels. So you'd think the price of crude went up. But who knows? So let's take a quick look and see what the market's been doing prior to us opening. This is a 4 Unarenko on the E-mini, which is a very small time frame, very short time frame. This is from midnight. From midnight, we've been trending straight up. A really beautiful trend to the upside since midnight. Does the market retrace at 8:30 when that CPI report came out? You could see how many candles formed. The market really liked that report. It went straight up. The NASDAQ on the 20U, same thing. Same thing. Beautiful move up pre-market. our leaderboard. If today's your first day joining us, I want to say welcome and thank you for joining us. We're going to be showcasing, should be an exciting day, we're going to be showcasing our automated bots. These are fully automated strategies that run within NinjaTrader 8. Once they're enabled, they will execute and manage the trade for us, for you and me, and anyone who's running them. We have a really nice diversification of not only instruments that we trade, but time frames that we trade them on. And we're looking for the bots that are finding the ebb and flow of this trading environment. This is a unique trading environment. Every day is a unique day. And the market conditions change daily. So we run a nice diversity of strategies. And we have what we call our leaderboard. These are our vehicles or vessels that we can copy to help us hit our profit goal for the day. What I did pre-market, right before opening up, I downloaded all of the trades from this week. Very short look back. Very short look back. And I wanted to know which bots are performing the best this week. This week. You could see the number one bot on my computer is the Mack truck. That 20U Mack truck, 2781. So if I pull over my trade performance on Ninja, we want to make data-driven decisions. We don't want to take trades on a bot that's getting crushed, right? Why would we want to do that? We want to copy the bot that's winning. Right now, the Mack truck is hot. So if I look at in my performance, this is a metric you can find in NinjaTrader by going to your control center, selecting New, and Trade Performance. And we let the numbers do the talking. So on my trade performance, if I look up that Mack truck, 20U Mack truck drone, and I go to my summary, it'll show that I'm up 2781, just like my ChatGPT told me. Max drawdown 2483. I always like to see, well, when is it doing well? I can change my summary to analysis and look at the entry times that are performing the best. And this is a beautiful, beautiful window. From 9 a.m., 9:30 to 10 is the best, and then 10 to 10:30. So during my live stream, this bot really has been crushing it this week. So what is that? What would that cause me to do? Well, my next step, looking at this and learning this, is to put on my trade copier. I'm going to right-click on the very bottom tab, and I'm going to duplicate this in a new tab. Okay? Why am I going to do that? Because then I can just change my leader account and keep all of my followers just the way they are. It's very simple. So I'll duplicate it in a new tab, but now I'm going to name this one my 20U Mack truck. And all I'll need to do is unlock it, find that Mack truck in my list of accounts, double click it, make it the leader, lock her up, and now I'm ready to rock and roll with the MNQ Mack truck being my leader account and my Apex accounts being my followers. If I was going to play a one-day pass, the numbers support the ES30 range. That's a very aggressive way to pass an eval is using our one-day pass templates. These are custom templates designed with one goal in mind: to pass the evaluation, period. Very aggressively, very quickly. It's a pass or fail trade. This week, the winning percentage has been 63%. Historically, it's about one-third, 33%. So it's very hot this week. We also have the 30 range on the NASDAQ. Well, that's the velocity. That's not a one-day pass. So for one-day passes, the ES is number 1 this week. The 2-minute number 2. No, the 30 range number 2 on the NASDAQ, and then the 2-minute on the NASDAQ is number 3. The Smart Velocity bot. That's the one that, remember, has a little more risk on it because of the stop. But with this volatility, that's what's working right now, is that 30 range, but instead of a 50 or 60 tick stop that we're using on the power play, this is giving it 100 ticks. 100 ticks. So a full loser could mean a $500 drawdown trading the minis. So I think a good strategy might be to trade it on just a couple of micros, maybe 2 or 3 micros, if you don't want to take that kind of risk. Then the haymaker is just above water. So that was a 1-week look back. This week, this is today's look. This is today. We put a little more weight on today for obvious reasons. And you could see our leaderboard. The NASDAQ 150 range has been doing very well. The Mac truck is right here. Now, this is what I call confirmation, right? Confirmation. It's on my leaderboard. It's not an outlier. This is a bot that all week has done very well. So it's definitely something to consider putting on our trade copier. Then we have our ES30 Starbot and our Steven on the 8 Unirenko, trading the NASDAQ. ES30 range. This is interesting. This ES is a very conservative MES, excuse me, this MES 50,000 PA account. We'll keep an eye on that one, because that one you don't have a lot of risk, and it's up $200, which is really nice. So just coming off that red folder report on CPI, we had a rosy report, much better than anticipated, and the market is kind of loving it. Good morning, Duke. Good morning, Rao. Thank you for joining me. We're going to get started here. 1 minute. 1 minute till the bell. One minute. I'm tempted to enable my Mac truck, but I'm going to let the market play out for just a few minutes. You read my mind, Rao. I was going to keep it active right to the market open. The 20U Mac truck. Remember, we looked at the analysis, and what did it tell us about the Mac truck? The Mac truck loves the 9:30 to 10 window. All right, let's see what happens. Good luck, everybody. Let's make sure that we're enabled. Let's get our best spot in the game. Our power play. Okay. We'll get the iBots engaged in just a few minutes. There it goes. Boy, it's launching at the market open. It is launching. I'm very surprised it didn't fire off a trade. That's zero. Oh. Let's just take a look, make sure we're on the right contract month. We are. Oh, look at that. Mack truck's up 1472 already. If my power play doesn't take a trade soon, we'll have to pivot. Rao's trading gold today. Let us know how the gold looks, Rao, if there's anything juicy there. The ES30 Starbot is in an absolute monster. AIES 30 range Starbot. Profit window came up. Beautiful trade. You can see where it got in. Got in at 8:30 during that news report and rode it up for almost a $1,500 gain right now. Now if this closes to, oh no, our 20U has to be below the 50 in order for the power play to go short. We're getting a nice retracement. Let's go to our 8 Unorenko on this. Look at that beautiful E-mini chart. Okay, let's see what happens with this 20U. We got a nice retracement right to the 50. This could be our Mack truck entry if it reverses. Let's give it a shot on the Mack truck. Now between the high and low of the candle, if the 15 is in the middle, that's a Mack truck entry. We should get a short very shortly if this a little more. If this 20U breaks through the 50, the power play should jump short. Watch the short entry. My ES8U Leapfrog is up 553. Price is just hovering right at the 50 on my 20 Unorenco. Now it's a coin toss. Here we go. Let's see if we get this bounce. Oh, no. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Shoot. I'm really sorry. I'm going to have to restart. Froze up on me. Duke, 773 on the velocity. Yeah, I saw the velocity is when I ran that ChatGPT report. The velocity is one of my top ones as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close out any open positions that I was in. And go back and we'll re-enable. Okay, my power play is taking trades now. Great. That's what I needed. Let's see if we get into this leapfrog here. Ooh, that's a juicy one. Watch this break of support. Watch this break of support. Here we go. We're leapfrogging it. Come on now, crash back down. I'm going to take this short right here. If we get the follow through the downside. Here we go. We should be in it. Yep, we are. All right, I got a loser on that one. This is the ES 8U. And let's get the Mack truck, duplicate. Let's get the 20U Mack truck. Lock her up. Okay. Let's see what happens. If this pops to the long side, this is a really nice entry for the ES8U. We got a nice retracement. You can see that the line of my oscillator, if it heads up, it's going to break through that midline, which is the blue line. My power play is jumping short. You can see price action is sideways. For the last few minutes, price is just going sideways on the NASDAQ. Very choppy. I like to enable my copier when price action is moving a lot nicer. I don't want to get into a choppy, ranging market. I want to wait till price action is moving very nicely. What did Rao get? 950 on gold. Nice, Rao. Getting a little lag here. This could be the bounce for the ES8U. And the Mack truck. Let's go for the Mack truck long. Right through the 50. Nope. Come on, let's get a bounce to the upside. took off short. Okay, we're in the Mack truck. Just took off long. Come on, let's get some follow through to the upside. Okay, my stop just went to break even. Come on, keep pushing up. Keep pushing up. Come on up. Oh, darn. Oh. This ES8U is very close to going long on the scalper. Nope. Mack truck is right back in short. Watch this power play short. Right through support. Let's try the power play through this area of support. Okay, we're in. Let's get some follow through. Come on down. Push down. Darn. Come on down. Ah. Squeezed it too tight. That ES Starbot's still in that trade. The leapfrog jumped. No, it didn't. Oh, it did. ES. The leapfrog is in. It jumped in short. Market's moving fast again, huh? Oh. Let's try to catch a Mack truck then. Mack truck just took off long. Very choppy. It's a ranging market. It's chopping all over the place. No real direction. Maybe this second half hour, we're coming up to 10 o'clock. Maybe we'll find a direction here. Oh, the Mack truck is in a beauty. Here goes the power play long. That's a perfect snapshot of market profile right there. You got our value area low, value area high, and our point of control right at the 50. Let's see if we break through. Come on, let's go. Let's get one nice move to the upside. I'm going to try to get this move up. There seems to be some good buying pressure right now. I see a spike in volume, and we just broke through that area of resistance. Let's get some follow through to the upside here. Come on, get me in this thing. There we go. Let's give her a little room. Then came straight back. Bounce off the 15. Come on, bounce for me. Come on, bounce up. There you go. Come on up. There you go. Come on up. Come on up. Push up. Break through there. There you go. Come on up. There you go. Come on, push up. Get my window. Man almighty. Just wouldn't go for me. Just wouldn't go. Ooh, look at the ES. All right, let's get our iBots into the game here. I think the market's settled down enough. Let's try it. The ES is headed right into that upside resistance. Come on. One big pop to the upside. Oh, we're back in. Come on. Let's get some follow through now. Come on up. Get my profit window. Come on up. There you go. Let's do a leapfrog now. One time with the leapfrog. Get up there. A little further. Come on. Ah, come on, one leapfrog. Ah, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my goodness, that must have missed it by a tick. Mm. The ES8U is in. I tell you, if that upside resistance wasn't there, I was going to try to get into that entry. This red line scared me on that E8U on the E-mini. Let's see if this power play gets into that leapfrog this time. It's coming up just short. Oh, it got it that time. Oh, man. See if we can get another leapfrog here. Come on, one more push to the upside. Let's go. Here we go. Okay, it's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. See if we can find a direction here. It looks like it's headed up for the moment. Well, it's tempting to get into that long. Let's give it a shot. Retracement. Here comes a signal C long. Pull back and go. Nope. The smart velocity is up. The Mack truck. Power play went long again. .30 range power play bot. Gold. Wow, Rao just hit a gold trade for 850. Nice, Rao. Let's take a look at the gold chart. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Really good volatility on gold. I've got my golden goose that I can put up. Gold is trading at 43. Oh, my goodness. 43.64. How long before that hits 5,000? The goose is loose. I was laying in bed the other night and I got a text message from an unknown caller and said the goose is loose. Let me see if I can load the goose. Oh, it's actually in a trade on the micro GC. It's trading in my Sim 101 account. The goose is loose. It just leapfrogged. So that's trading two micros on gold on the micro GC. Keep an eye on this. Um, Overall, it's down 387. This ES is just not moving. The NQ is completely sideways. ES isn't moving. Come on, give us one nice move. Give us something. This could be a Mack truck short right through that 50. Let's give it a shot. Boom, it's in. Come on down. Come on, some follow through the downside. One time. Come on down. Get all that risk off. Oh, stop. Stuck. Oh. Come on down, Mack truck. Give me one leapfrog. Ah, darn. Can't get one to follow through for me. Let's try the power play one time short. Just got wicked out on that Mack truck. Now it's running. Late to the party. Come on. Come on. One time. Come on. Take a short roll for me. One time. Let's go. Break through there. Come on down. Get in my window, baby. Come on down. Break through. Come on down. Come on down. There you go. Get in my window one time. Give me one leapfrog. Come on. There you go. Ah, man, no follow through. Jumped right back in short. We're getting a nice move down. That I bought ES4U. That's the one we were looking at the other day. The best spot just came up. The best spot. Oh, wow. Look at these bots. They jumped all over that short move. Here we go. Getting a retracement. Let's see if we can get another short roll. Not done retracing. We're right within. I'm right within striking distance here. Had I closed a few trades a little early, hindsight's always 20/20, ain't it? Here we go. Watch this short roll. I just missed it. Here we go. The Mack truck might jump. Let's see if we get the Mack truck in this one. The Mack truck is right on that 15 where it needs to be. Come on, let's get a nice roll to the downside. Here it comes. My kids are out there playing. Well, you just get the feeling this thing is going to take a move to the downside any moment. We got some good selling pressure. We're trading right into support right now. Let's anticipate the break. Here we go. Here we go. The gold bot jumped in long. The goose is loose to the upside. Come on, let's see if we can break through support. We need one nice trade. One nice one. Keeps bouncing. Bouncing right off support. Software does a beautiful job of defining risk with those areas of support and resistance. Those liquidity zones. Got a lot of buyers right at that 25,176 mark. They're driving the price back up. Let's take a look at our leaderboard. RJ. Yeah, I was thinking, here we go. Here we go. Here comes the move down. Here comes the move down. Bounced again right off that same level. Looking at the best iBots for the week. It's that NQ600 tick is up $5,000. iBot NQ600 tick. Yeah. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Here comes the Mack truck. Here we go. We're in the Mack truck long. Come on. Let's go. Don't stop now. Keep on coming. Come on. Push up. Come on. Don't stop now. Go ahead. Go up. There we go. Come on now. Let's get one leapfrog. My 30 range is leapfrogging. Just need that 20U. Get me one leapfrog. Come on up. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Get me in the green. Let's go. One trade away. Keep pushing. Come on up. Come on up. Don't stop now. One more time. One more time. There you go. Don't stop now. Oh, yeah. All right. That took us out of the red category. Need one more for good measure. 10:24. We got 5 more minutes. Here's that gold trade. This is trading 2 micros on gold. Let me take away the executions. Let me clean this up just a little bit. Boy, this NASDAQ is still going up. Power play went right back long. Oh, look at this Mack truck. Had I not gotten wicked out. Oh, man almighty. Come on, retrace some a little. Just a little bit. Come on down. Oh, wow. This thing is taking off now. Ah, wow. We got to get in the next entry. Look at this. Risking 120 on this trade. It's up 225 right now. 250. Another leapfrog. Oh, wow. This thing is taking off to the moon. Taking off to the moon. Look at that entry I had on this Mack truck. Ah. It's coming up right to the upside resistance. Three to one risk to reward on this entry on the power play. And it's still climbing. Oh, wow. Look at this thing go. Well, if it gets wicked, no, yeah, if it gets wicked out, let's try to jump right back in. Let's see if we could get one. Let's see if it continues. It bounced right off of resistance. Let's see if it breaks through now. Come on, one time on the signal C. That was one heck of a move up. Here we go. Come on, let's go. Breakthrough. Come on the signal C. Big volume, 7,200 contracts a minute. That's how we know institutional money is in it. They're driving the price of the NASDAQ higher right now. I think we're late to the party. Coming up right behind me is Mr. David Wise. He's a professional trader. He trades options using the SPY super system. We've got an extremely powerful plug-in for Thinkorswim. If anyone trades Thinkorswim, check out that SPY super system. Doesn't matter if you trade options, futures, cryptos, Forex. That system really provides you with dynamite entries. Sorry, I accidentally muted myself. All right, come on. Let's see if we can get one more entry here long. We'll give it a few more minutes. There really shouldn't be a difference. It's redundant. NQ150 RJ, NQAI. I think the ones that we're using have. Oh, on my workspace. Are you talking about on my workspace here? I just noticed that. RJ Starbot. AINQ. 150 range. That's a good question. Let's see if we can get this moved to the upside. I'll have to ask Sergio, Tony. Here we go. Here comes the signal B. Here we go. We're in. Come on. Let's get some follow through the upside. Push up. Come on, pop to the upside. Let's go. Don't come back on me. Come on. Come on up. Come on up. I'm going to get the risk off this trade quick. Oh. Bounce. Come on, bounce. Bounce for me. Yeah, come on. Oh, shoot. Let's give it a little room. Oh, shoot. All right. I'm going to quit right there. I should have let it go. I didn't want to turn a green day into a red day. Let's give it one more shot. I think this thing is going to pop. I should have just left the thing alone. That NQ600 tick drone on the iBot, remember I was just telling you, on my report, it was the #1 bot on the iBot series. The iBot 600 tick came up $5,000 for the week. And if you look at it, it's up 1,400 today. So the ChatGPT gave us some really good answers this morning. Our #1 AI bot was the Mack truck. The Mack truck is at #1 on my leaderboard again. It's just been crushing it this week. Had I just left this trade alone, I would have had a nice winner just now. But the 20 UMAC truck on the AI, #1, and on the iBot, it was the 30 range, which was #4 on my list. The 600 tick was #1 on my list. The iBot best bot, 495. All right, let's try to get one. Come on, pop me in here long. Had I just left the thing alone, I'd be smelling like a rose right now. On your way out, please, if you would, like my video here on YouTube. It helps us get new eyes on our products and services. Win, lose, or draw. We're going to let this one ride. Yeah. Look what happened. All right. That was my last trade, everybody. I was just saying I hate to turn a winning day into a losing day. But it was a lot of fun doing it anyway. I hope everybody has a blessed rest of your day. I'm tempted to give this one more shot. Had a lot of sellers jump in there the minute I got in. Let's see if we can break resistance. There was a lot of sellers sitting right there at that price level. And they drove the price right back down. Come on. Come on, let's go. A little more. All right, I'm at my break even, plus or minus. Now I'm trying to get in my window. Come on up. There you go. That's what I needed. Let's go. Give us another leapfrog. Come on, one more time. Let's go. Get a second wind. Push up. There you go. One more leapfrog for me. Come on, one more leapfrog. There we go. Let's go. Get me on the board. Put me in the winner's circle, baby. To the promised land. Let's go. Have a great day, everybody. We're going to close on this trade. All right. We ended up on a green day. Wasn't easy, but we got there. Amen. Thanks for joining me, everybody. God willing, we'll be back tomorrow. David Wise coming up right behind me. Please don't forget to like my video. Just a quick recap. The bots did extremely well. I had just so many different opportunities to have a green day. In spite of myself, because I sabotage my own results by interfering with these things. If I just let the thing run, and Rao tells me every day, hey, just let the thing run. These bots have the ability to take us to the promised land and profits every day. Tomorrow's Friday, and we'll wrap up the week tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. Thanks again for joining me. Don't forget to like my video on the way out the door. So long, everybody. Thanks, Rao.